Okay, I've had a request to work problem number 1.3.49, which is number 8 in your homework. I've written down my problem, and remember my numbers are likely different from yours, but you should be able to follow along. Okay, Ed Mora has $95,000 invested in stocks paying 6%, simple interest. How much additional money should he invest in CDs paying 2% simple interest so that the annual return on the two investments is 30%? Or not 33%. Okay, so what I know is I've got an investment problem. So I know I'm going to be using I equals PRT. Okay, and I know that I'm not given time, so time is going to be 1 in this case. So basically, I'm just going to be multiplying principal and the rate as a decimal, and that's going to equal the interest. Okay, so let's start off with what we know here. All right, he has this much invested, $95,000 at 6%. We're being asked how much additional money he should invest at 2%. So let's say X dollars at 2%. Okay, now how much interest is made on these individually? Okay, well, 95,000 times 6%, so the interest on this one is equal to 0.06, which is 6%, times 95,000. So that is $5,700. Okay, how much interest is made here? Well, we don't know X, so it's 0.02, which is 2%, times X, whatever that is. So I have a way of talking about how much interest is here. Okay, now what does this mean that the annual return on the two investments is 3%? So basically, what he's wanting to do is to take these investments that pay a lot more and put some that are paying a little bit less, and overall have this much money coming in, okay? So what this last part is saying is if you took that $95,000 that he has invested, and then you add however much more he has invested, he wants this to be at 3%. So what if they were together, we want it to average this much? Now, how much interest is made on this? Well, the interest here would be 0.03 times 95,000 plus X, whatever that is. This is how much interest he wants to be making on this total investment, and I know how much interest we make on each. So what I should be able to do is to take this one, plus this one, this interest, plus this interest, and have it equal this interest. So my formula, my equation, would be $5,700 from that first investment, plus 0.02x, that's for my second investment, and this equals 0.03 times 95,000 plus x. Okay, so I need to distribute here. Okay, and 0.03 times 95,000 is 2850. So 5,700 plus 0.02x is equal to 2850 plus 0.03x. All right, now we just need to move things around. I want my x's together, so I'm going to move this over to here. So I get 5,700 is equal to 2850 plus, when I subtract here, 0.02 from both sides, I get 0.01x. Now I need to move this over here, so I have 5,700 minus 2850 to get another 2850. Okay, now I need to divide both sides by 0.01. And X is equal to $285,000. Okay, we found X. X is how much additional money needed to be invested, and that's what we were asked to find. So $285,000 is your answer.